everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make tofu teriyaki. I don't marinate tofu when I make teriyaki, so it's very quick. Let me show you how to make it, but before we carry on, please hit the subscribe button below before you forget. Let's get started. These are what you need. Tofu, all-purpose flour, it's about 5 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin, half a tablespoon sugar, and something green to garnish. Today I have shiso Japanese basil, but anything green will do. And this is firm tofu I'm using today, but you can use whatever tofu you like. At first, I'm going to drain this tofu really well. So let's open the package, drain, and put it on this paper towel. Wrap it up. Flip it over. Put something heavy on top. I'm using these plates today. And leave it for 10 minutes. It's well drained, nice and firm. Let's remove the paper towel. I'm going to cut it in half this way. Then in 3. One piece is about this size. Let's stuff the tofu with flour. So it's all coated. I'm heating up 2 tablespoons vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Let's pan fry them. When the bottom side is nicely browned like this one, flip them over. The bottom side is nicely browned too. Before you add the seasoning, turn the heat to medium-low. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin, half a tablespoon sugar, keep cooking as you flip the tofu from time to time, about 3 minutes. Looks good, so let's turn the heat off. Serve tofu on a plate. I'm going to garnish it with this shiso Japanese basil. Snap off the stem. Let's slice it thinly. Tofu teriyaki is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!